If you're seeing annoying flickering in your videos on a Samsung Galaxy, here are a few simple fixes you can try. First, turn off Auto FPS. Just open the camera, tap the 4 dots on the bottom right, go into camera settings and switch off Auto FPS. Next, if you're shooting in Pro Video mode, reduce the shutter speed. Go to More, then Pro Video, tap on shutter speed, and set it to around 1/125 a second. You can also lock your exposure and focus by tapping and holding on your subject until you see AE/AF lock. This keeps the brightness and focus steady and helps prevent auto flicker. Whenever possible, use natural lighting like sunlight or continuous non-flickering lights, because some indoor LEDs cause this issue. Also, try turning off video stabilization in settings and make sure super steady mode is disabled by tapping the 4 dots and toggling it off if it's on. If you're shooting slow motion indoors, use bright studio lights, or even better, take the video in natural sunlight. And finally, keep your camera apps and system software up to date, because Samsung often pushes updates that fix these issues.